SLS GmbH is not a workshop. The work shown, which we carry out on our own vehicles, are merely experience reports and may contain errors. They are therefore not to be understood as professional instructions. Unfortunately, we cannot accept orders.
Hi, I'm Niels from SLS, and today we'll show you how to dismantle a US bumper from an R107. This is another step in converting our vehicle from a US model to a European look. We'll start by emptying the trunk, which means removing all the carpets and taking out the jack. At this point, you can see the 3 mounting points for the outer rubber guard, just like we saw with the front bumper. With the European bumper, the rear apron would be mounted below the bumper. Here you can clearly see that the apron parts are attached to the body. I'll start by unscrewing the rubber corners. We just saw the 3 mounting points. To remove the rubber corners, I'll lower the car a bit, and then we'll push them forward away from the vehicle. I am now loosening the 4 bolts on each side that hold the bumper to the vehicle. A colleague will assist me when we remove the part. I am now removing the side brackets from the rubber corners. Starting here, that's one side done. Next, I'll unscrew the rubber lip. The 2 side parts of the rubber lip are each secured with 4 bolts, and here in the middle, there are 7. That's the centerpiece. Lastly, we have the 3 apron pieces left, and we'll unscrew those now.
Okay.
That's it. Our bumper dismantling work is now complete. You can find more videos on bumper conversions on our channel. Feel free to subscribe to stay updated. See you next time. Bye.